issues of our nation, I came up with the topic COVID. Before going into the topic, I want to say something. As we are seeing a dramatic increase in the COVID 19 cases due to the people and government suffering with lack of beds, shortage of oxygen, medicine, and equipment needed to treat COVID patients. As we all know, some of the great people who are donating their own money for COVID patients to see their needs by providing oxygen, beds, medicine, and equipment. As part of this, our frontline heroes came up with a Operation Kojit. Kojit stands for co-workers of all the three services Army, Navy and Air Force who will finally achieve Jeet over COVID. Treating the current coronavirus wave like a war, the armed force have launched Operation Kojit to fight against COVID 19. Lieutenant General Madhuri Kanitkar, who is the third woman to become a 3-star general in the armed force, is working around the clock to strategize and monitor steps to provide relief to COVID 19 patients. She is leading the medical team under the Chief of Defense Staff COVID 19 Management Program. As we all know that the second COVID 19 wave has put huge pressure on the country's health system, with health facilities in several states suffering under a shortage of oxygen, medicine, and equipment needed to treat COVID patients and also beds. On the shortage of oxygen, some of the military hospitals have their own oxygen generation plants, and currently 46 oxygen generation plants are established all over the country. By the support of some companies like Indian Oil Corporation are helping in the transportation of oxygen. The Indian Air Force helping to carry out a number of sorties to bring oxygen containers from abroad besides putting on the truck the supply chain for oxygen. The Indian Navy transported liquid oxygen to places like Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, and the Indian Army gave its military 14 such coaches for carrying oxygen supplies to various parts of the country. Around 200 drivers were pressed into the service for ensuring smooth supply of the oxygen. They are helping the DRDO hospitals for the corona patients. This much major role is playing by our armed force to make nation happy. I hope you all are taking necessary measures to protect yourself from COVID-19, which is spreading like a wildfire, reaching every single home, attacking every alternate person now. So as a responsibility of every citizen must should take care of yourself by following proper protocols, precautions given by our government, and stop multi gatherings, going out for without need and emergency. And I again remind